I literally didn't mean to click start streaming. Let's go, baby! Who's it gonna be? Huh? Who's gonna be known in history as the noob who gave me my 100 kill, 100,000 kill? Come here! Is it you? Here comes Daddy. Knock, knock. Boom! Let's go! Woo!
You can now help increase Fortnite Moments giveaways by using Beast as your Support a Creator code. To do this, click on the item shop, and then select Support a Creator in the bottom right. Type in Beast and click Accept. Thanks for the support.
Max, you should join us.
Get debated.
Oh my god, fuck you.
You can't even lie, I was pretty high IQ, bro. What the hell?
You gotta hide behind a tree. What are you gonna do, man? You're kind of annoying, bro. You know that? You ran away so you could get one pump. Unlucky. Alright, boys, are we gonna hit a smoke one right here? Ah! Fuck, did I get him? Oh, shit!
These players. And now Nate actually making
just-
a little bit of mistake there because of the
Couldn't
storm
build.
surge, but he only has
Yeah, he
two
couldn't
more
build.
ticks.
Oh,
He has the storm surge on him. That's 25 damage.
Oh no!
Like
This is
5
what I
seconds or something
mean.
like that, so it's gonna be
Psychos.
pressuring them.
He's
They
gonna
need
go
to
down.
get
Bro,
those
that's so
damage.
whack. I
It's
hate
unfortunate
that.
Hunter and
You
Kinstar
literally got,
realize
like,
exactly what's
insta-kill,
going
bro.
on. They say, okay,
Oh my.
we're not that far above the threshold, but we realize you're getting ticked and we're not. And so they just backed up and bought all
Now
the
they're gonna
time
go
they
up
needed
and
here.
thirst
They're
them.
gonna actually take their box.
Good strategy.
Did you get the kill for
Good
that?
strategy. They
Yeah.
have the sound
He's
cue.
down.
They have the visual cues as well.
Oh
for
wait,
the
no, no,
storm
no.
surge.
If you die to
But
Storm
now-
Surge,
You don't
this
even
is
get
not
down.
fun
yeah,
players.
if you die to
You're
Storm
just
Surge,
dead.
you disappear from the game and your loot just drops where you are. You cannot be revived.
Oh
Uh-oh.
my god.
Yeah,
That's
I forgot to
stupid.
mention that. Storm Surge, you cannot get revived. You literally, it kicks you out of the game. You can't even spectate. It literally just disappears you
What
from the
the-
lobby.
This game, man.
Yeah, that's
It actually disappears you.
like I
from
understand the
lobby.
concept, but that does way too much DPS.
Oh shit, this is not ideal. I'm fucking dead. Okay, never mind. Ready to go. Ready to go. One shotgun shell shin my gun. Alright, let's go. Who? Who was it? Who's there? Reveal yourself. Buddy. The old one and done trick, huh? The old one and done. How did I know it was gonna happen? Where's this cucklord at, dude? So many cucklords. You guys ready, dude? Stop. Fucking Lee. Alright, dude. Hey, GG, man. Real good fight there. Ow, dude. This is where you've been hiding? Oh my god, I got the fucking bug, dude. That's the worst. Come on, man. It's just a game, dude. You don't gotta take it so seriously. High ground attempt. Number 1. Major success. Huh. I have Ridipla, so I don't really care if he wants to shoot me down or not. I don't mind, honestly. Man, where you going, dude? Hey, relax there, buddy. Come on, man. There we go. I got the fucking hook now, dude. One pump me, baby. No, thank you. Just truly outside.